Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders daily video. Happy New Year to everybody. It's really the first full trading day coming back in 2013. It is great to start a new year. Hopefully, you've taken some time to evaluate what you have done in the past, what you're going to do in the future, in order to help you become more successful as a trader. And if you can take some time to do that, you'll be getting off on the right foot at the right time. So set some goals, make sure you know what you're trying to do, where you're trying to be at the end of 2013. But you've got to start now so that you can get to that point quickly and get there doing what you want to be doing. So we're going to start the year by kind of looking back at the year and kind of see where we are in relationship to where we were 1 year ago. And so I'm going to put a line on here which will indicate January 1st. So here is January 1st, and you can see on the USCAD, I'll put a line there. So that's where we were on the USCAD 1 year ago today. Now, we are down roughly, we had a big drop today coming into this, 324 pips below where we were, but essentially kind of an up and down year for the CAD. We are sitting at some areas of support now, so keep that in mind as you look forward to what you might be doing this upcoming year here. And anytime we're sitting at support, we want to look for opportunities to buy as it bounces up off of that. But pretty choppy year last year. We'll see if we can develop some trend out of that. The US-Japanese yen, very interesting year. You can see that we had some really significant trend moves last year. We had this big move at the first part of the year of 800 plus pips. We had this last move here of about 1,000 pips. Big movement, big trends. I would look for this trend to maybe start to slow down a little bit at this point. But nonetheless, a big, strong move. And even this downtrend was pretty deliberate in its movement. Nice trends for the US-Japanese yen. Still a little bit choppy on the shorter term, but longer term you can see the movements that occurred there. Look for continuation of the trends. Here we are on the US-Japanese yen, up significantly here. Excuse me, this is the pound dollar. Up significantly from where we ended last year. We're up, 850 pips, but some pretty big swings. We are looking at this resistance area. Let me just blow this up real quick. You can see we tried to break through this area here today, but has really failed to hold. And so this is going to be key coming into the year here, whether or not it can take this level out. If it can, then we can see some continued movement through the year. US Swiss franc, we're down slightly from where we were a year ago. The Aussie dollar, we're up, although essentially we've seen a real sideways kind of movement. And the last 6 months, real choppy movements here. And again, we're moving back up and trying to see if it's going to break out resistance and be able to move higher. And last but not least, the Euro-US dollar up slightly. Again, kind of forming some resistance movement here. where it's not moving strongly but running into some resistance. And so those are some key areas here, I think, kind of across the board that we need to look at for this, at least the beginning of this year. Now, we did just have the government pass on the fiscal cliff budget here today, so we want to congratulate them, and hopefully the markets will start to become a little bit more deliberate in their movements, and as they do, we're going to find some more opportunities to trade using the simple trading method. So take some time to review that. Review your charts. Look at what you're going to be doing here this upcoming week. This week, still be a little bit cautious as we wrap up the holiday season, and then get ready to get back at it the first part of next week. So with that, we'll wrap it up. Have a great day, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll continue to move forward. So until then, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.